Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista101. Thank you so much for being patient. I am ready to do the giveaway. It is the Homebody Seasons giveaway. At least that's what I call it. And here it is. So I pulled all of the comments from Instagram, all of these, as well as I inputted all of the extra posts that you guys made. So if you shared it in your story, you had an extra entry, and then all of the YouTube comments as well were entered. So thank you so much if you are one of those people who entered. I am so excited. So here we go. Everything is imported into the random name picker. This is the one I use the most. It gives me a website with credentialing to make sure that this is right. And if you hear clicking and clacking, it's this amazing keyboard that I have, but it's extremely loud. I'm gonna try to mute the sound when I'm editing the video, but we'll see. So back to this, I'm gonna go ahead and start. And here we go. I am so excited. So mom and daughter planning duo. So mom and daughter planning duo won. Congratulations. I am so happy for both of you because I guess both of you won. And super excited for you guys. And congratulations. Please contact me soon to go ahead and have this sent over to you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.